Good morning, this is Patrick Coughlin with Coughlin Cares. And today we're going to actually cut into that bathtub, leave it as a bathtub, and then make it a walk-in shower. And then there will be an insert into that big opening that we can close off to make it a bathtub again, make it reusable as a bathtub. So it's a little bit challenging because the bathtub is steel with a porcelain overlay. So we have to cut that and make that step in. The other thing that we're going to do with this bathroom is this floor is extremely slippery and the bottom of the bathtub is really slippery, like ice. So we're going to acid etch both the bathtub, the floor of the bathtub, and the floor of the bathroom. So it gives it a little more abrasion. You won't see anything. It won't be any discolored or anything that you could see with the naked eye, but you would be able to feel it as far as less slippery. The other thing that we're going to do in this bathtub is add a couple grab bars. So when you're walking in and out of the tub or trying to get in and out of the bathtub or shower, it's just a lot more safe. So give me a few minutes and we'll start showing you the process. So the first thing you have to do when you're working in a bathroom like this, and you're going to be cutting a steel tub, you have to get rid of everything paper, right? You have to get rid of the toilet paper and the wastebasket and the towels, anything flammable, because you are going to have sparks. So that's the first thing that you want to do. And then the next thing is you get this template and you line it up to where you're not getting too close to the curvature of the bathtub on the inside. And so you have a nice flat surface. And then once you have that template in place, then you start masking it off with masking tape and getting it ready for cutting. Okay, now we have the template traced out and we're using the masking tape to help us for two reasons. One is it'll help us guide us and know where the line is where we're cutting. But second of all, since it's a porcelain overlay, it will chip. So the tape along the edge will help us keep it from chipping. And we also put a little tape over the drain so no metal or pieces of porcelain go down the drain. And just as an extra precaution, we tape the toilet seat as well. Cutting a hole in a bathtub is not for the faint-hearted. You got to go through a whole lot of blades. You have a drill, you obviously have a grinder, and you have a sawzall, and it just takes hours. I mean, it takes several hours at least just to make the cuts because you don't want to cut away past that green masking tape. But the hard part is done. Now it's just a matter of cleanup and getting ready for the bathtub insert. So give me a few more minutes and I'll be back.